Hey guys, we're gonna be showing you our slime today. So here's our slime right now, but then we're gonna be showing you how to make slime.
So mine is crunchy slime.
Mine's just plain soft slime, really like gooey and long. Mine's really stretchy. In case you didn't notice, here it is again.
I'll help her because she's eating. So there's her slime. Hers is just very plain purple. There's a couple beads in it, but that's her slime. My slime, guys, it's just some crunchy slime. It's very colorful. I'm gonna stretch it for you guys. Mine's not very stretchy since it has a lot of beads in it. It's not very stretchy, so there's that. There's that, and we're just gonna be showing you guys how to make just plain old slime. So guys, what we use is some Elmer's School Glue.
Arm & Hammer baking soda.
We use extra
Laundry detergent.
Most people use Tide, Borax, Opti-Free, Contact Lens Solution.
You really don't want to use Borax because it will burn your hands. Because you know you got to mix the slime with your hands.
So I suggest
we get some containers or a bowl.
So yeah, and I will be leaving a link down into the description box below for my brother's channel. So my niece is gonna just get a bowl so that we can make some slime. Oh, and you will also need something to mix with.
A few toothpicks. Well, not toothpicks, but
just
popsicle sticks.
Just a few.
Get two.
Just two. You don't need.
If you have two people, you need two. But
we're just making,
in this case, we're going to need 4.
But we're just making one batch for now. We will be adding some food coloring.
Me and my sister, we are going to split this glue. I mean, not glue, but slime. That way, we will both have the equal amount of slime.
We'll just be making one batch, though. Hold on. As soon as our glue comes out, we're running out, so.
Wait. They need to see.
Hold on.
Right, that will be enough glue. Alright, so what you need to do is make sure it's like that. Take your cup, because we're going to use this here in a minute, okay?
So take your cup, add some food coloring
hold the cup.
At the beginning.
Like right on top of your glue, so.
We added yellow.
You can use whatever color you want.
Food coloring is optional too.
Or basically you can use glitter glue if you want to
color it if you want glitter in it, which we'll be adding just a little bit of glitter glue.
Guys, I will be right back. I will come back here in a minute. My big sister, she will take over for me just for a little bit, okay? We'll be right back.
So we're just adding just a little bit of glitter glue. Just a little bit. Then you are going to take your popsicle stick and mix in what you have right now.
Alright, I'm back, guys.
Okay, so then you want to add...
a friend actually gave me this at school, and it has glitter glue in it.
So then mix in your baking soda, just a pinch.
Oh my god, it looks like mustard, you guys.
This really does look like mustard. Anyways, so
probably because she did add some mustard while I wasn't here, so it's fine. You can make slime out of mustard or anything. Well, I will make slime out of mustard. But
no, she won't. She's disgusting if she does.
I'd rather y'all not make slime out of mustard. Just I will make slime out of mustard. Need more, sis?
No.
Oh my god, it looks like a mustard with pickles in it.
Just add just a pinch.
Angel, find me the green, please.
I don't want to add any more color. So just add just a pinch more laundry detergent. I don't need any more color.
Ketchup, lettuce.
Yeah, my niece just thought of some. This is mustard.
This is the ketchup and this is the lettuce. It's a sandwich.
This looks like a dill pickle, guys.
So in goes the ketchup.
We aren't adding any more food coloring. I don't want this to look so disgusting.
A
It already looks disgusting, guys.
A pinch.
We're not adding any.
A pinch.
All right, just a pinch.
Of each color.
No, of just that one.
No, of each color.
Just that.
We need ketchup and lettuce. Guys, just so you didn't know, he's actually being, like, destructive today. And me too.
We basically ruined our whole kitchen making slime today. So.
Especially me. It looks like it has glitter in it, Angel. It's gold. Guys,
This one
This
looks
is
so
gold.
amazing.
we're not gonna add green to it, but that's where we're gonna keep it at, and we're gonna try and keep it like that. Aren't we, sis?
Yes, we are. So guys, this looks really amazing. If you guys can't see this right now.
It's actually like a goldish, but it has a little bit of green in it. Uh-oh, here comes Grandpa.
My dad is fixing to come in here, I believe.
Let me go check, guys. We need to hurry up and make this video.
He knows, I told him. Alright guys, so we're adding some glitter glue. Some glitter glue. We're going to be adding some more glitter glue.
Guys, I'm really sorry. My dog, Sammy, here he is.
He's really adorable.
Say hi, Sammy. Hi. Hi.
He is a boy, so
Just in case you can't see.
stop being nasty. Alright guys, so here is the slime we just produced to you guys. It's really cool.
Say bye. Bye-bye.
So we do,
And we're going to add one purple jewel to it.
not yet, not until I get done mixing this together. So like,
It's stuck like yellow. Don't get it out, Angel. Seriously, don't get it out.
alright guys, so this is what our slime looks like right now. Maybe if we can get my brother to come in here and tell us what he thinks of it, then
Would you like, what did I say it was?
medicine.
Medicine, blueberries, or soup?
So, we like this slime very much. It's a goldish color. It's really amazing that what you can make out of slime, which you can make out of glue and just some laundry detergent you have laying around.
Yeah. You never know what you're going to find lying around that you can do with, like money.
So guys, we will
Can I
be
pick up
purchasing some more slime.
Scissors.
So, she's just going to show you guys some of her interesting things with it. So, guys, do you think this slime is better
Then
than
this
this
one.
slime?
Of course, this one has no jewels in it yet, but leave it down right in the comments below and tell us what you think about the gold slime and the purple slime, you guys.
Which one do you like better? This one?
I got an opinion. I like the gold one better.
I do too. I actually like the gold one really much, but this one, like, when you just leave it like sitting around, it will like
Harden up.
it's not hard. It's just a little liquidy, I would say. But it's a really soft slime.
Yeah, she said if I basically touch it, I'll mess it up.
She basically does because she adds a whole bunch of ingredients that she really don't need.
Hey guys, it's like a spider web, don't you think?
So, here's the purple one.
And here's the gold one.
So here's the slime bubble for the purple one. Excuse me, little sister. So,
You're excused, big sis.
this one really can't make a slime bubble right now because I don't know what's wrong with it.
She added a little too much shaving cream to it.
It could use some more laundry detergent, I guess.
Put like a whole bunch in there.
No, you really don't need a bunch. You just need a little bit. So, just mix that up into it, and it should make it more, like, more stretchy. You can also add some lotion to make it stretchy.
Oh yeah, P.S. guys, next month is her birthday.
The 16th.
November the 16th. And don't forget to tell her happy birthday on November the 16th. Subscribe. Put it down in the comments below, guys.
So, that's it, guys. Bye!
No. We're missing something, sis.
What are we missing?
You know what?